Today I'm gonna be reviewing my homemade paper squishy collection. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. So I have a series. So first I'm gonna show you my dessert series. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's begin. So it is. This is just a normal sponge that I colored with fabric paint because I couldn't find any other paints. So yeah. So here it is. It's not very slow rising because it's normal sponge. And it's a piece of cake. And here I have this messed up donut with a strawberry drizzle. It's not slow rising too. And next I have this bear, I think, donut. I just made it with also strawberry drizzle and a cute eyes. You can see the mouth if you wanna, but it's not that slow rising too. But it's really soft, so I really like it. And next I have this piece of cake again. Next, this brownie with buttercream and then with vanilla drizzle. Okay, so it's not slow rising too. And next, it's only 3 pieces of them. And first, I have this big watermelon. It's not slow rising because they're super. This is bad. This is really bad. So, yeah. But it's super big, so I really like it. And next, I have this avocado. I know it's really bad, but yeah. Also, it's not slow rising. And next, I have this peach. I know it doesn't look like peach that much, but this is just what I can do. And also not slow rising as well. And next I have a small series. Here it is. It's the soup series. So here I have the first one. It's kind of slow rising, but it's not that slow rising. But it's not that soft, so I don't like it at all. And next, I have this other soup. I kind of like this one because this is a lot softer and like a little bit more slow rising. And on to the next one. So I have like kind of like vegetable series, but it's not that veggie. And also a very small series. Here it is. Kind of like a vegetable, because there's like vegetables in here, except for the patty one, and also the bun, and this is a hamburger, just a burger, not with ham. So they're like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and like all the vegetables, except for the patty and the mayo. And it's not that squishy as well. So next I have this can of beans, which is inspired by Miss Caladia's Fuzz. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong, but here it is. And also it's not the same color as well, and I really like it. It's super slow rising. It's slow rising, I meant. And next I have this other series, which is a toast series. Yeah. Here I have this grape jam with grape jelly, or maybe jam. I don't like this, but it's kind of slow rising, but it rises up really fast. Yeah, I don't like the toast series at all. And here is with a pineapple one. I kind of like this one, but it still rises fast. But that's okay. So, and next, this one with strawberry. Here it is. I don't cover the sides. Oh no. That's okay. Here it is. I don't like this at all, but yeah. And next I have this kind of like a bread one. So here they are, and also there's our normal sponge, which I've covered with tape. So here it is. It's super slow rising. It's super good. It's not that soft though, but and I have another one like a circle, but I lost it, so I can't show it to you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, next I have this brownie. It doesn't have tape around it the first time I make it, but I just thought that it would make it more slow rising, but it didn't. It just make it look uglier. That's okay. No, so this is also with fabric paint. And last but not, wait, that's not last but not least. Wait, this is in a series, but I just want to show them. So here I have this heart. I don't like it at all. I don't tape the whole thing that well, I mean. Which is why it's really bad. And here's my soccer ball. Yeah, it doesn't look like a soccer ball, but it's a ball because, I don't know. It's not slow rising too. Ha ha ha, look at this. It's super small. It's not very squishy though, because it's really like thin. It's like this thin. And also this is the biggest series I've ever had in my paper squishy collection. Is pillows. So here I have this first one. It's slow rising. I like it, but it's not that. You know that it's really thin as well, and also it doesn't rise all the time. Hey. Okay, you're annoying. So, wait, don't touch it. So here I have this next one, which is also slow rising. Next, this one with the face. I know the face is really bad, and I don't like this because it's too stiff, I think. And next I have this pillow with hearts. And I kind of like this one because it's kind of slow rising. And this one, rainbow one.
Let's watch a video.
And I like this so much. Because it's really pretty. So this is my favorite one. Oh, sorry. So this is my favorite one. This is the most slow rising of all my squishies, and it's the biggest. And so yeah, those are all my squishies. Wait, here they are, my Peppa squishy. And also this aren't paper, I know, like normal sponge ones, but okay, here they are. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, as always, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.